This is Coco's Cotton insizwa kaDlamini. Abaningi benu anidingi Nkosi yami. Ngicela ungizwe kahle, ngifuna ukuyibeka kahle. Abaningi benu anwadingi amathambo. But niyawalahla amathambo because anizithembi. I don't think people are dying because of lack of knowledge. People are dying because of self-esteem. Anina self-esteem nina. Anizithembi. Umuntu makaze azohlola kuwe already uyayazi inkinga yakhe, already uyayibona, already uyaconnect. But because awuzithembi ufuna ukulahla amathambo to assure. Izinto zokomoya niyazisaba nina, nithemba izinto ezi-physical. Abanye benu, this goes back to abanye benu betingamelanga ngabe niyathwasa, but nizothwasa because anithembi ama-instructions enwatholayo, anithembi ama-instructions enwathola through amaphupho. Therefore uxolela ukuthi uye emzini womuntu, which is a physical form, ukuze akufundise lento onayo. Angazi nangabuya ngizwa izinto eziningi ozenze ephehlweni mawufika ekhaya awuzisebenzisi. Why? Because now idlozi lakho selikulida ngalendlela usona lento ukuthi okay sengithwasile sengingakhona kanti ungakhona noma ungathwasanga. And abaningi benu nithanda ukubhekela phansi ama-self initiates because abathwasanga. They are stronger than nina enithwasile. Nina enithwasile nihlupheke physically, but emoyeni alazi fokole. Hayi ngishayeni omunye uzothi okay gogo ukhulumeni uthwasise kangaka unamathwasa kangaka. Ngikhuluma nawe ke wena ke mina wayeke wamama thwasa ayazi into ikhuluma ngihlala ngibatshela ukuthi most of you akumelanga nithwase because of idlozi lakho lisuke likhuluma nawe. Wena idlozi lakho likuphuphisa amathambo ujikuye emunye umuntu ukuthi akufundise kodwa likukhombisile idlozi lakho manje likukhombisa amathambo ungavuka ulitshela ukuthi lento enikhombisa yona nithi iyenzeni nani ngifundisa yona. Abantu bomoya are dying because they love practical things. That's why kunje namhlanje nifuna into practical, ni believe more in the practical than emoyeni. You lack faith. But ngizola ama-client enibuhlungu because how can you go to umuntu olekha i-faith ekuye, alekhe into ekuye, into aniwe yona, afuna ukukunikeza into afundisa ogobela wakhe? Oh sinakade. Why is it masowucedile ukuthwasa ungenze exactly lezi zinto bozenze ephehlweni? So ne-confidence ngobuke uthwasa. Wena ubuke uthwasa because ufuna ukuyohlupheka physical, bese ubuye unendombi, ubuye ubhodle, he ubuye usithusela uwe la ubhizi usibhule ematshwaleni ngoba sikubonile uthwasa. Masingakubonanga uthwasa, it's going to be difficult for you ukuthi usibhule because we won't believe you. Yekela umhlaba, i-calling akumelanga i-understand umhlaba. Kwawena kumelanga we understand. Once you start understanding your calling, you're at the wrong direction. Mele uhleli uzibuza ukuthi am I doing it right? Is this how it's supposed to be? You don't have to be comfortable in your calling. You don't have to know your calling, because once you know, you are doing it wrong, you are doing it your way. You are not supposed to understand it because it's a secret thing. Into yomoya understanding. Ayenzi sense. That's why myself initiates abantu babahlasela. But ayikho lento yenu wathotho. It's because I understand it omoya. Amandla to myself initiates. Keep it like that. Ungabe pressurized because of what's cutting. No. Do it your way. Nine abanye bafaka ama-beats azafika la and understand from esandleni azafika la awazi ukuthi wafakeleni akawaphuphiswa akawaboniswa akayenzi next uwafake because ugobela ukuthi wafaka na akazi ukuthi ukufakiseleni ukufakise ngoba naye ugobela wakho amfakisa naye lo gobela akazi. It's like isiminyaminya lo oqala ugobela yena waboniswa amadlozi wakhe wafakisa dina nonke elidlozi lakhe lambonisa ngaye hayi ngamathwasa. That's a topic for another day.